Okay, let's start with April 2009 question 4b. So the table below shows the numbers of rejected items recorded by a certain factory in town X. So here you have 4 years given, then you are given 3 terms here. So 3 terms here means 3 quarter. Okay, so after that highlight all the important things here. Question want you to have trend values using moving average method. So 2 decimal places will be needed. After that, the question want you to find the seasonal index for each term. Okay, so after that, explain the meaning of seasonal index for third term. After that, forecast the number of rejected items for second term 2008. Okay, so let us do it one by one. So take one piece of your foolscap. Okay, so what I need to do is, okay, you take out your foolscap paper. Okay, then after that, copy back your existing data, okay, given here, okay, into the foolscap. Yes, okay, into the foolscap. Okay, so just do it. Okay, so you start with year, quarters, number of rejected item. Okay, then from there you highlight your Y. Okay, because this is the only variable name, okay, in this question. Okay, after that, because this is about 3 quarters, right, so you just write 3 quarters moving average. Okay, after that, then highlight with a capital letter T. Okay, already. After that, get your variation, then don't forget your formula, Y over T times 100. Already. Okay, I'll give you another 10 seconds. You write it down first. Okay, so when you're done, okay, don't forget to yes, write down, just copy back the information that you obtained from the table above. 2004, is it? This one is it? 2004, the first term you have 241, 274, is it? 241, 202, 199. See that? So you just write down 241, 202, 199. Okay? No spacing, please. Okay, no spacing, you just copy back. Okay? After that, 2005, 1, 2, 3. So you just write down. So 2006, 1, 2, 3. 2007, 1, 2, 3. Okay, already? Okay, you just copy on it. Okay, once you are done, okay, so we will start with okay how to calculate the 3 quarter moving average. Okay, now questions already said you must only having 2 decimal places. Okay, because questions already state. Okay, after that, from your Y, you take the 3 and divide by 3. Okay, if let's say that is about 5 quarters, so you have total up with 5, then divide by 5. Okay, and don't forget your answer must be stayed in the middle of the column. Okay, so how does it looks like? Okay, so let us start. Okay, so your Y, okay, you take out 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me get out take out your calculator as well. None. Okay, now in this question, okay, in this question you must remember each of the data you can only use calculator to find it manually. Okay, one each of the answer. Okay, you need to key in manually. Okay, you can't get everything from just a fingertip. Okay, so here what you need to do, so just total up. Okay, reset everything first as usual. Okay, reset everything. So 241 plus 202 plus 199. Okay, then don't forget to divide by 3. Okay, so you have 214. Okay, so the answer right in the middle. So what does it mean by middle here? Okay, so obviously you can see or not, you got, okay, you see you got 3 rows here. So the middle row for sure is the second row. Is that okay? Okay, so your answer will be 214. Is that okay? Now, maybe some of you now you will realize that how come that we have another 0.00 here? You know, we have 0.00 here. Why? Because the question state 2 decimal places. It's okay? So you may need to have 2 decimal places. So far okay? Okay, let us proceed. Okay, so how do you get the second set? Okay, how do you get the second set? Okay, so what you need to do is you just continue. Okay, what does it mean is, okay, you cover it by your ruler or anything. Okay, you cover the first one. Okay, then you meaning to say that you skip the first term, then you take another 3, the latest 3. Is it okay? Every time you start with a new set, you need to skip 1 data on top. Is it okay? Okay, okay, you can use ruler, it's not a problem. Okay, you use ruler better. Okay, you just cover it. Okay, you skip 1, then you take this 3. Okay, you take this 3. Okay, so again, oops, okay, again, 202 plus 199 plus 274, then divide by 3. Okay, you have 225. Okay, you have 225. So that the answer right in the middle. Is that okay? So after that, you continue again. Okay, you skip again. You use ruler easier. Okay, because ruler you can cover, right? Okay, you just use your ruler. Okay, to cover. Okay, after that, take another 3, a set of 3. Okay, then you continue. 199 plus 274 plus 232. Okay, then divide by 3. So 235. See that? Your answer. Because your answer will be right in the middle. See that? Okay? Can follow? Okay. So after that, skip 1 again. Okay, skip 1 again. You skip 1 again. So you take another 3. Take another 3. Okay, again the answer right in the middle. See that? Okay, so 274 plus 232 plus 240. Okay, divide by 3. So your answer 248.6667, right? So 2 decimal, so 6, 7. Please remember to round off. Okay, any values that is less than 5 then should be 0. If more than 5 will be plus 1. This one should be okay. Okay, so after that, what you need to do? Just continue until you have the last pairs. Okay, until you have the last pairs. Just on this one, right? Okay, so now get another 3. Oops. Okay, get another 3. This one. Okay, 232 plus 240 plus 364. Okay, divide by 3. Okay, so 278.67. So your answer here. Okay, so after that you skip again. Skip 1, then take another 3. Okay, so 240 plus 364 plus 387. Okay, divide by 3. Okay, so 330.33. So again, answer right in the middle. Okay, so skip one again. Take another 3. Okay, 364 plus 387 plus 380. Okay, oops, divide by 3. Okay, 337. So answer right in the middle. It's okay. So skip one again. Get another 3. Get another 3. So 387 plus 380 plus 350. Okay, then divide by 3. Okay, answer 372.33. So answer right in the middle. Okay, so you skip one again. 380 plus 350 plus 349. Divide by 3. Okay, so you have 359.67. So answer right in the middle. Okay, so skip one again. Get another 3. Okay, so 350 plus 349 plus 341. Okay, okay, then divide by 3. Okay, you got 346.67. Okay, so obviously nothing more, right? So it means that this is your last set of 3 quarters, right? Because 3 quarters or one set will be 3 items or 3 elements. If you have 5 quarters, you have 5 in one set. If you have 4 quarters, you have 4 in one set. Is it okay? Okay, so since that you don't have any, so this will be the last one already. How do you know it's last? Because it's the last 3 elements exist. Okay, you cannot skip anymore, because if you skip, you have only 2 data here, so whereby it's not relevant. Is it okay? Okay, so you get the answer already. Okay, after that, you can calculate your y over t times 100. That is your variation. Yes. Okay, so how do you get the thing? So you can determine the value of y and t using the ruler. Now, I imagine that my boundary is my ruler. Is it okay? Okay, so we do it one by one. Okay, so let us look into the first one. Okay, now, obviously, imagine my boundary is the ruler. Is it okay? Okay, okay, so let us check one by one. Okay, on the first quarters, you have 241, your y. Any t value here? No, right? If no, so just let it be. Either you let it be or put dash. You don't put 0, okay? 0 is value. Be careful with that, okay? Don't put 0, just put dash, or just leave it blank. Is it okay? Okay, so we proceed again. Okay, so any values on the second, okay, so you can see you have y, you have t. See that? So if that's the case, so you have your answer. So just proceed. So you have your y divide by, what's the answer? 214. Okay, 214 times with 100. Okay, you got 94.39. Because 2 decimal places, so just everything to be 2 decimal places. Okay, I will notify you which one not to be 2 decimal places. Is okay? But so far, the first table, you just follow exactly what the question needed. If the question just have 2 decimals, so you just put that 2 decimal. If the question said 3, so you just put 3. But if the question did not mention any, you put 4. Is it okay? Okay, so let us continue. Okay, so continue with the third one. Okay, so the third one, you have what? 199 divided by 225 times 100. Okay, you have 88.199 divided by 225. Oh, you get 88.44. 88.44. Then continue. 274 divide by 235 times with 100. You have 116.59. Okay, so round off, so 116.60. Okay, so continue. 232 divided by 248 times 100. Okay, you have 12 point 232, sorry, my 2 is missing. 232. Okay, so you have 93. 248, oops, 248.67. Okay, so you have 93.296 or 93.30. It's okay? Okay, so continue. 240 divided by 278.67 times 100. Okay, you have 86.12. Okay, so you can see correct. Okay, so continue. 364 divided by 330.33 times with 100. Okay, so you have 110.19. Okay, so let us continue. 387 divided by 377 times 100. Okay, 102.65. Okay, so continue. 380 divide 372.33 multiply 100. Sorry, divide 102.06. Okay, so correct. Okay, then 349 divide 346.67 times 100. Okay, 100.67. Now continue. Okay, so obviously you see you got y. You don't have any t here. Okay, so don't fill out anything. It's okay. You can just leave it blank. Okay, but as I said, don't put 0 because 0 is value. Okay, so that's the answer for only the A. Okay, so we are done for the A section. That is your trend value. Okay, the T here means the trend value of this. Okay, this is the trend value. Okay. Okay, so after that, let us look into the second part. Okay, what's the second part shows here? Okay, calculate the seasonal index for each term. Okay, so how does the seasonal index table looks like? Actually, at the back I already show you what it is. Okay, now just to share with you again. Okay, so your seasonal index table, you must include the year, you must include the quarter 1, 2, 3, or you can write down the first term, second term, third term, okay, by following the question. So how many year? 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007. Okay, Then in general, write down your total, your average, your adjustment, your seasonal index, that is your SI. Then at the back of your average, you need to have your total average. Is that okay? Now, how do you get these data? Okay, this data is actually from your variation. Okay, it's from your variation. Okay, it's from your variation. Okay, so you can see that your variation just now. Okay, so you just fill in the blank. Okay, that's why I prefer you to have two pieces of paper. Okay, two pieces of paper. Okay, one paper on your first table, second paper on your second table, then easier for you to copy back. Is it okay? If you write at the back of it, then you spend too much time on just flipping the paper. I hope you get what I mean, because especially the time you have your test and also your final exam, you are actually fighting with the time. Okay, so get the things easy. Okay, now obviously they have no data allocate under the first quarter on 2004, right? So the starting point is on the second quarter 2004. So you just copy back. Okay, can you see or not? Okay, now so again 2004 quarter 2, you have 94.39. Okay, so you just write down 94.39. So the third one is 88.84, right? So you just fill in the blank. Okay, you just fill in the blank. It's okay, you just fill in the blank. So same goes with this one is, oh, this is 60. Okay, this is 60. Oh, this is 84. Right, 988.44. Okay, okay, so you just fill out everything until you have the last one, 2007 second quarter. This one, you see, under second quarter. So 100.67. So this is the answer. Is that okay? So that's why you need to have two different piece of paper for each of the table. So table 1, one piece of paper. Table 2, one piece of paper. Is that okay? Because later you need to have your first table to extend later. So you don't continue after it. Is that okay? So don't continue after it. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so after that, what you need to do? You need to total up. Okay, so total up, how to total up? You total up respective to each of the quarters involved. Okay, so let us start with the total. Okay, so you have first quarter first. Okay, so 116.6 plus 110.19 plus again 97.31. Okay, so you have 324.10. Okay, so after that, get the average. Now, how do you have your average? Okay, now obviously, how many data here? 3, right? So for average, you will need to divide by 3 exactly. Okay, you will need to divide by 3 because you have 3 data to be added on together. So you divide by 3. So you got 108.03. 108.03. Okay, let's proceed with the second quarter. So you look into this second quarter here. Okay, so look at this one. How many data here? 4, right? So you just total up 94.39 plus 93.3 plus 102.65 plus 100.67. Okay, so your answer is 391.01. 391.01. Okay. Okay, now how to get the average? You will need to divide by 4 exactly. Why? Because you got 4 items here. Okay, just now you total the 4 right? So to get the average, you divide by 4. Is that okay? On the first quarter just now, you total up these 3 items, 3 elements. So you just to get the average, you need to divide by 3. I heard this is very logic, right? Okay, so don't confuse, Okay, so 391.01 you divide by 3. Okay, you have 130.34. 130.34. Hey, oops, it's not 3 but 4, sorry. See, that's why you must be careful. Okay, 391.01. You see my brain and my hand is not working together, so divide by 4. Okay, because 4 items. Okay, so you have 97.75. So you write down 90. You write down 97.75. Okay, so for the third quarter, you just total up the 3. So 88.44 plus 86.12 plus 102.06. Okay, you have 276.62. 276.62. Okay, so this round you will divide by 3 or 4. How many items here? 3. Yes, because you have 3 items. If 3 items, so average you divide by 3. If 4 items, you divide by 4. If 5 items, you divide by 5. Just like that. Okay, so 276.62 you divide by 3. Okay, so you get 92.21. 92.21. Okay, and don't forget to total your average at the back. 108.03 plus 97.75 plus 92.21. Okay, so total up, how many items here? 3. So you divide by, you just total up. Okay, so you have 297. You have 297.99. Okay, so do you need to make adjustment? Okay, do you need to make adjustment? The answer is yes. Okay, so you can turn to your, I'll say at the back here. I actually put the summary towards the end. This one. Okay, the trend line you no need to mention already because you are not involving any trend line here, right? Okay, you just strictly go to this one. Okay, so you can see here I purposely put a remark here. So adjustment is needed. Okay, adjustment is needed if your answer is less or more than 300 of total average, because this is 3 quarters, so 3 quarters, so the perfect answer will be 300, because all the answers here are in percentage, right? Okay, so that's why in index, so that's why you are in percentage. So if 3 quarters, so 300 perfect answer. If 4 quarters, so 400. If 5 quarters, so 500. If 7 quarters, so 700. Is it okay? Okay, so how to get the adjustment? So you'll be 300 divide with the total average. Okay, I'm sure very logic, right? Adjustment will be needed if your answer is less or more than 300. Like for example, if your carry mark, okay, is already perfect, let's say it's 100% ready, will you need any adjustment needed? No, right? So I hope you can understand with this. You see, I previously highlight also. If total average, this one. Okay, so if total average, 3/4. Okay, so if total average is 300, it exactly 300 because it's already perfect, right? So no adjustment is needed here. Okay, so how to get your seasonal index is your average multiplied with your adjustment. Okay, so let's proceed with the question. Okay, I'm sure everyone until this stage already, right? Okay, so again, how do you have your adjustment? Adjustment will be 300, okay, divide with your total average. Okay, let me change my total average first. Okay, so get your calculator. So 300 divide by 297.99. Okay, so you have 1.009745. Okay, you want to have 1.0067, okay, also. Okay, but you must have more than that to be okay, because if you just put 1 means that there have no decimals involved, so at least 4. Okay, at least 4 decimal places. So this is the things I want to highlight. Is that okay? So you can see other information, right? Okay, you can have 2 decimal places, it's not a problem. But for adjustment, I will advise you to have more, at least 4. Okay, so how to have your seasonal index? So seasonal index is your average multiplied with your adjustment. You see, everything follow the sequence. It's okay, so follow the sequence involved. Okay, so just multiply it. Okay, just multiply it for 5. Okay, use your calculator. 108.03 you multiply with 1.006745. Okay, 7587. 587. Okay, then after that 97.75 multiply with 1.006745. Okay, so 98.4093. Okay, after that 92.21, 92.83, 8320, 8320. Okay, okay, so that's the answer for second table. Is it okay? So after that, okay, let us proceed with the third part. Okay, it is very long, right? Yes, it is. Okay, so the third quarter, okay, oopsie, this one's supposed to be 100, like what you have for your index number. Okay, you don't get your answer in this negative value, okay, because your intention is just want to know how much it increase or decrease, right? 928320. Okay, so 100 minus your 92.8 sorry 8320, you have 7.168 1680. Okay, percentage decrease. So we just write down the answer. So the number of rejected items by a certain factory in town X decreased by 7.1680% for which quarter? Quarter 3. Or you can set third term also can, in each year, because this is year, so year lor. If this is about week, so week lor. If this is about month, so it will be in month. So okay, so how do you get the statement here? Okay, the number of rejected item by a certain factory in town X is actually from your question. Okay, from your question, this one. So the number of rejected item on secret in town X. Okay, is okay? So that's it for the third part. Okay, let us look for projected trend value. Okay, this one you also need to follow step by step. Okay, step 1, you get the formula. Okay, so TL here means the last trend value. Okay, TVV, what is TVV? Okay, so TVV you got formula. Okay, you got formula. So TVV is TL minus T1. T1 is the first trend, TL is the last trend, and here means the total trend. Okay, and here means total trend value. Okay, trend values. Okay, don't confuse. Okay, the T here means the term. Okay, so let us do it one by one. Okay, so this will be your last trend. Okay, so TL. Your first trend will be the first one. Is that okay? Okay, now how many items here? Items of your trend value. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See that you got 10. Okay, so you just write down 10. Okay, so how many terms here? Now look at the question. What's the question want you to find? Okay, question want you to forecast number of reject item on the second term 2008. So meaning to say that you may need to, yes, you may need to extend. Okay, you may need to extend. Okay, so extend, so you just extend from your table 1. So 2008 is 2, right? So 1, 2. Okay, so how do you highlight your term? Okay, very simple. You just continue from the last trend value. This is your last trend value, right? So you continue with 1, 2, 3. Okay, and do remember to circle it. So means that this is your small little t, the term that you will gonna find. So from here, you just substitute in. Okay, so highlight. Okay, total trend you got 10. Term you got 3. So substitute your TVV. So your last trend minus your first trend divide by 10 minus 1 is 9. Get your information, then get your answer in 4 decimal places. Okay, after that, don't forget to resubstitute back your answer to get your projected trend value for second term 2008. But don't stop here, you haven't finished your answer yet. Okay, proceed with forecast. Okay, so what is your projected trend value? So you got 300, this 390 point, this one. Okay, so substitute into the formula. So what is your SI? SI on what? Second term. Okay, SI on second term is what? This one. SI on second term. This one. Okay, so just substitute in 98.4083. Okay, substitute back divide by 100, you got your answer 384.6715 items. Okay, so since this is item, so you need to round off. Oops. Okay, you need to round off. Okay, so 385 items. Okay, so that is the answer. That's the final answer for the whole question. Because this one involving 16 marks, right? So this is the 16 marks questions. So have a try.